Okay, I'm recording this on my phone because I don't have any battery left on my camera. My Oscar just died. Last night it was fine, and then this morning it was just like on the bottom, upside down, still alive, and now it just finally died, and I don't know what happened. So maybe we should do an autopsy. It's only a baby, we've had it for a month. So yeah, it's dead now. I'm not sure what colour its gills are supposed to be, but maybe someone can tell me. They're supposed to be red like that, or a pinky colour. I think they're supposed to be pinky. They're a bit red. See? A bit red, aren't they? It's pink down there, but up here is a bit red. But I have two, and the other one's doing fine. I've done a water change now. But yeah, the other one's doing fine. I don't know. Never done this to another Oscar, so I'm not sure what the lungs are supposed to be like, the colour. I don't know if I did the right thing. I fed him some minced meat last night. They both ate it. I really don't know what to do. I've had Oscars before, and they've never died. It's got some sharp teeth in there, you know. Maybe you get a feel of what they are. You can't really see them. Oh. Got some sharp teeth. You can hear them clicking. Might be towards that. There you go. Anyway, there he is. Oh, buddy. Anyway, maybe I don't know. I thought maybe it would choked on the meat I gave it, but can't see it in there. Anyway, let's chop his head off. And see what we can find. I hope it doesn't come alive like another video I've seen. The fish just came alive after it's had its head chopped off. Let me get a knife. This is probably the best knife I can find. Yeah, I'm gonna do this. I'm not really a fisherman, so I don't know how to do it really. Let's get you the good view, sorry. For those morbid people that want to watch. I just want to do an autopsy and see maybe why it died. Maybe we can see what's in its stomach. I've got to behead it first, I think. Sorry about that. Tripod thing for the phone. didn't want to wait for the camera to run out of battery to charge the battery, because it might have got rigor mortis or something, and then it would have been too hard to cut, maybe. I don't know. Sorry about those squeamish people, but I don't like hurting animals myself, but it's dead, and I don't know, even Jesus killed fish, I suppose. It's a bit different. It's funny how you could probably go in front of the police station and drown a fish, no problem, but you couldn't drown a dog, be in big trouble. But especially Oscars, they're pretty smart, you know. They're not stupid fish. It's funny how, well, it's not really funny, but fish seem to have a lot less rights than mammals. Alright. Yeah, it looks like something you put on your grill, doesn't it? The head. Oscar head. Alright, let's see if we can see what its stomach contents be. Ah, this stupid phone. Yes, I'm not doing this because I like it. It's scientific research to find out what killed my fish. I probably won't find out, but it's worth a try. What else am I going to do with it? Throw it away. It's dead, so it doesn't feel anything. Oscars, they're found in South America in the wild, but this one's probably been in captivity for generations. If I remember correctly, this is how you cut the fish. If you haven't seen that video where the fish comes alive in the lady's hands after it's had its head chopped off, go check that out. It's got some meat in there. Look at the meat. Be like a fat sardine. I used to eat sardines a lot. Well, doesn't even seem to have any guts. Where's its guts? Very simple animal, isn't it? Let me put that down on the table. Spread it open, maybe you can see. There we go. It doesn't even have any guts. That's strange. Where's its guts? Why doesn't he have any guts? Is that his guts there? Is that its heart? That must be its heart. It's got to have a heart at least. Yeah, that must be its heart. Spin it around for you. There we go. Sorry about that. tap the phone and it focuses. Anyway, yeah, I think it's a heart. I don't know, I can't see anything. I wouldn't have a clue, I'm not a fucking fish doctor. Anyway. Yeah, let's do it like ISIS. Alright. There we go. I can't find the cause of death. Maybe it was better that was all out of focus. Well, next video I'll make sure I do it on my camera. Subscribe for more stuff that you, I don't know, I won't be doing this again anyway. Yeah, but subscribe, I'll teach you some other shit, have a look at my other videos, whatever. Bye.